I chose forest management because I love working in the outdoors, working with my hands, having an impact on my world.
I love being outside, and having a job that takes me outside every single day would be just a dream come true.
I wanted to do hands-on learning outside in the wilderness where I could be with a group of other people who were also wanting to be outside and work with their hands.
Forest management is important because it's our ecosystem. I feel like it's our duty as kind of the primary consumers to take care of the earth and take care of where we live. I mean, it's our job to protect Mother Nature.
Some benefits you'll gain from forest management is general knowledge of various outdoor jobs.
And the other benefit is just camaraderie. I've never really had this sort of close-knit topical class before, and I really like it.
You will also gain credits through Cascadia Tech, college credits for science and science-based learning. It's a super good environment to be in.